everyone. So this video is designed to go through how to log in virtually to your school desktop so that you can access things like your H Drive, T-Shared, all of that from home on your computer or other device. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to go to this website. So WVD for Windows Virtual Desktop.mcpsmd.org. So you're going to go ahead and type that into your browser bar. And it's going to take you to the remote login page. Now, because I have mine set to log in, I'm actually going to log out real quick so that I can show you the sign in process. It is linked through your Outlook account, so you would log in the same way you would to your desktop at work. And so it'll ask you to log in. I'm going to log in with my Outlook email. And it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. Okay, so you would then click on Default Desktop. And if you want, you can access things on your computer. I'm going to hit Allow. And what it does is it then launches your desktop. And you'll soon see that it's going to prompt you to log in one more time. And unlike before where you had to have a computer that was on at work, as you can see, I was looking at my flip charts earlier. I am on a device that does not have Active Inspire installed. So this is a way to pull up a flip chart even at your house on a Chromebook where you might not be able to open Active Inspire. So that's one cool thing about it. And this was my last session, so it did remember what I had open, which is pretty cool. And then everything starts to look like a normal desktop at work. Now you do have access to your traditional H drive. Some of the network folders are not going to be there, like hand in or hand out, but you have access to a lot of like your files, which is the important thing. But you also have access to any app that is currently installed on your desktop. So for example, if I wanted to see if the county had installed Zoom yet, I can search Zoom, and I can actually open and see what it would be like to open Zoom from my desktop without leaving the comfort of my home. So it shows how to open that client here on the desktop. I also have the ability to use any tools that I would have on a Dell laptop. Like I'm using a MacBook, but I have access to Word, Excel, any of those normal websites that we would use. I have access to the snipping tool. However, I would recommend just taking a screenshot on your device. And the reason being is, yes, you can work within a document on here. I can even email stuff from my H drive to my other computer, like this computer that's running right now, by opening a Google window. But I have found that it doesn't let you save here as easily as it could on a normal device. You can copy and paste text out of the windows, but it will not take images. So if you're trying to bring an image file from here to, like, let's say an assignment you're editing in another tab, you would be able to take text, but not images. And that's where taking a screenshot of the image on your computer would then let you get that image from your H drive to your current computer that you're working on. But this is a really cool tool that you can use to access stuff virtually as we continue to teach from home. And maybe you want to access something that's at school. Or if you want to access something that uses a program that's on your school computer, but you don't necessarily have installed on your own device or on the school Chromebook. So this is a great way to run something on a Chromebook that wouldn't normally run on Chrome. Now it does take a little bit of computing power. So just know that if you were to try to run Zoom through this, that is not recommended. Because of the amount of bandwidth that would take up. It would be really glitchy for the kids. So you wouldn't want to launch Zoom through here. and then like run a meeting. But if you wanted to, for example, show a flip chart during class, you could share this tab of your screen with your students, and they would be able to then see it. Whereas on a Chromebook, you normally can't pull up a flip chart and edit it. So that is the perks of using the virtual desktop with live instruction.